Hello guys, hope I am on time this time tonight. So, as usual, we try to begin with telling you what is the subject of today. As every Sunday night, we try to tackle a problem or an issue in the market, and we try to explain more and more and more. Okay? So, the subject of today is there any shift in the stock market? Now, what do you mean by this shift in the market? And why do we have shifts in the market? Elia Palavan, I love you. I love you also. I don't know, who are you? Okay. So what do you mean by a shift in the stock market? A shift, it means when there is a new trend, or there is a reverse, or there is some big change. This is what I mean by shift. You say, I learned LOL from you. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So shift in the market, what does it mean for us, like swing traders? We are following trends in order to make money. Hello, Fabian. So, what does it mean? It means simply that there is something going on in the market. Now, sometimes it is very, very clear. All the people see it, and it comes like something sudden, something that we don't expect. Okay? And there is, for example, a downtrend, a very quick downtrend. Okay? It's not a very, very long downtrend. It means when the market is going down, but it is very, very fast. Now, I can show you, and I always show you this shift in the market. So, let's if we can get to the chart, I will show you this Dow Jones just as an example. Let me see if we can get it. Just for you guys who are following always. So some of you guys, let's go and check the chart if it comes. Okay, here is the chart, as you can see. Now look here. So this is the chart of Dow Jones. Now, here, let's say here, before the thing, let's say we take this day, before the gap down here. This day, it is the 21st February last year. Okay, we put a line here. Okay, so you see the difference? You see the difference between this part here, which is end of 2019 and beginning of January and beginning of February, all these here, you see there is a trend. It means stock market is going up. It means most of the stocks are going up. But what did happen after 21st of November last year? There is a downtrend, a very, very sudden. This is what I call a change. There is a shift. What does it mean, a shift? It means short sellers or Wall Street, as I tell them, they begin to sell short and they hit the market fall, or the market fell in the past. So this is a shift, a very big shift. Now, here is another shift. You can see that the stock market is going up, here it's going down. This is the second shift. Now, first shift, second shift. Now, what is now? Third shift. Now, it is very big. We have some small shifts here, but we don't consider them. We consider the very large trend, which is the big shift. Now we are here. We are now at the end, if we can say, at the end of this big trend of last year. From here, we can say here, we can take this. Let's say here it's March 25th. Just an example, okay? So, from 21st February to March, okay, let's say March 24, which is this green. Yes, March 24, 2020. So this shift ends. There is a new big shift, okay, the big shift. It stays a very, very long time. From March to March, it is 1 year. Although we have some corrections, yes, we have some corrections, no problem. But still, the big trend continues. Now we are here now in March. So, what do you think it will happen? Okay? So we are here now. What do you think it will happen? Do we have a collapse in the market, or do you have, we can say like this, does the market go up or does the market go down? And this is what we call the new shift that we are waiting for. Okay? So, in general, guys, this is what I meant by shift. Hello, Bobby Six Killer. Hello, Wiseman. Thank you very much for coming. Now, this is in general in the market. You can recognize it. You can see it. You know, at the beginning, people, they don't believe that there is a change. Okay? They don't believe. And if you don't take actions when you are a trader, okay, what will happen to you? You will lose a lot of money because you don't adapt to the new change. And this is what makes most of the people lose their profits or lose their money. It's just this. Although it is a very simple thing to tell you, it's a very simple, you can see it, you go to your account, you see it, but the people, they don't realize it. It means they see it, but they really don't understand how their account is growing good or bad. It's just because of this. I'm not speaking about specific stocks where we have problems with stocks. No, I'm speaking about your general account. Okay? So I'm speaking about general account. Now, this is when you see the big market. But what about sectors and industries? Are there a change? Yes. Although you see the market is going up, it doesn't mean that everything in the market, all the sectors are alike. Okay? So if I can explain this idea, okay? So you look here. Let's say okay, let's give you here on the top, I give you the general, what the market had been doing. It was going, let me see here. The market was going up as, I will give you the same thing we have seen. Okay. And then in the end, it was going down. And it stops going down. And then this is the whole year. It was going up. We are here now. So here is, let's say, the last day. Today is 7 March, Sunday, 7/6/5. So this here today is 5 March 2021. Okay, we are here now. Now here is 2019 and beginning of 2020. It was good. And then let's say here we begin with 2021, and all this here is 2020. This is 2019. Now, 2019, the market was going up. 2020, the beginning, it was going up. In February, March, it goes down. Here in March is going up at the end of March. And here, February and beginning of March, it was going down. Now this here, if you can say, this is the general market. Okay? It's the general market. Now, let's go to this general market, which Dow Jones. We have many sectors. So, do you think that the whole market, all the sectors are going up, are doing the same? No, not all. So this is, if I give you this, okay, if I give you this is the general market. But if we take, for example, another one, let's say, just give you an example. From 2019, you will find that in this the sector is going down. It's going up a little bit. It's going down, 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 a little bit up, and then maybe down. So let's take this here. Just to show in general how this works. Okay. Let's see. The green. And then the red. Okay? So it's the same. So this is the 5th of March 2021. If we take the same time, okay, we can see here also it goes down because when the market is going down, it will be worse. Okay, so you will see that this sector, a sector, now it's whatever sector in the market. So this sector is from 2019. It was going down. It's not, but the 2019, 2020 beginning, the whole market is going up, but this sector. Now this sector, why it goes down and the whole market is going up? It means if this measure is about investors, the big investors are mutual funds. Now mutual funds, what they do, according to their studies, according to analysts, according to the people they work with them, they say, oh, this sector will not be growing in 1 year or 2 or 3. So we should take our money from that here. And the money that they took from this sector, they put it in other sectors that are going up. Okay? So this is the second sector. Okay, let's here. Now let's give you here at the bottom, if we can make it. Okay, if we can make it, we will see here that there is another sector. This is the second sector. The example that we give, it's a bad sector. Now there is another sector from 2019, 2020 was going up. It has gone down in this in the era of going down here, but it has going up, but it exceeds the general market. Okay? It exceeds the general market. Now, in order to make you to show you this, we can do the thing again here and put it down. Let me see here. Sorry guys. Uh-oh. I will take this from you guys. Okay, so I will give you how the second sector, the sectors that are doing good, what they do. So when they go up more than the general market. For example, here, okay, they go down according to the market, the same as the market go down, but they go up, so they are here. Okay, so if you see these two charts, you understand that this sector, okay, if you have chosen this sector in the market, you will be your performance will be better that you invest in the general market, which is Dow Jones. Now this is something that I give to you, although my strategies have been explaining this since 2015 when I made training. So this is training level 3. I explain the industries as industries or sectors. The same, it means the same thing. Industries and sectors change. Okay, so this is called rotation. Rotation, it means that mutual funds, they change every year or two. They change where they put their money. If they see in 1 year or two there is a sector that they put all their money, so at one time what they do, they will sell this sector and buy another sector. That's why you see some sectors going down, okay, and some sectors going up. This is the second layer, okay. Now let's go now and begin to speak about another shift. So this shift that I'm speaking about is called a sector shift. Mutual funds, they sell some sectors, they buy other sectors. Now how do you know this? So here where I come to teach you this. But understand that I'm not going to give you the tools and the ways to do that. Although I have explained a lot all these years in YouTube, I have explained a lot. But so the guys who are with me, like subscribe my subscriptions, like golden or silver or basic, I give them all this information because it is vital in following the trends in the market. If you don't understand this, you don't understand why these stocks are going up, why the other, but you don't make a relation. You know some information, but they are scattered information. But in order to put them together to see what's going on, you will not understand until you understand the idea behind. Now, when you understand the idea behind, you can figure out very easily where is the money. Because the money begins with a small shift, and then this shift becomes bigger. Okay? Now, we have spoken about general market. Second time, we have spoken about sector shift. And even in the sector, we have industries that are not doing the same. Okay? So let's go again to explain this. So let's say there is a sector here. Okay? It has many industries. Industry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are industries. Industries, it means the sector, let's say we have 5 industries, is divided into 5 industries. Each industry is doing something. Okay? Now, you will find, for example, one industry is going down. Okay? Second one is going down. Now, the third one is going up. 4 is going up. 5 is going up. Okay? So, in order to make the correlation, you should see in these two, you should see stocks. You find that these stocks, in most of these stocks in these two industries, are going down. But you should see why. Why they are going down. Is it because of the company fundamentals? Or is it just because of mutual fund shift? It means how they move their money. Any industry or in general that you see, or any sector, this is just in general. Now, since these are going down, what does it mean? It means mutual funds are selling. Now, they can't sell in one day billions of shares. They sell it through time. Okay? So they sell through time. It means it's not quick. Through time. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. They are selling. Now, what did happen here in these 3? They are buying through time also. They need time. Buying through time. So why is that? Why the mutual funds are doing this? Okay, hope I know most of my guys who are following me. Hello, Donna. Hello, teacher. Thank you very much for coming, Donna. Okay, so you ask yourself, why these industries are going down, why the other industries are going up? It's just because there is a process. Mutual funds, they can't sell everything in one day. They can't. Because you will see a stock that it is 100, it goes to $10 a day. It means from 100, it can go. So I will show you this process, because when you understand how mutual funds move, you will understand everything in the market. If you don't understand what I am saying always, you always have trouble to understand. That's why in the market, you buy a stock and then you see it's going down, going down, going down. You go to the other stocks, they are going up, going up, going up. But you get confused. Why these stocks are going up? Why these are going down? Because you are puzzled. You are like a labyrinth. You see details, but you don't see the general picture. And this is the problem in following trends. In following trends, you should see the big picture. Okay? The big picture. So, I will explain now what I have told you about mutual funds. Okay? So, let's give you just an example. Okay? Let's give you an example here. XYZ, it's a stock, it's an industry, and this stock is going down. See here. Now, let's see, I will just give you example. Let's say the stock was $100. Now it is $10. So let's say it takes whole here. It takes 1 year. You see stocks that were 100, they go 10 or $1 in 1 year. It means so here, all these, mutual funds are selling little by little. Okay, little by little. They don't sell everything at the same time. They don't have the rule. It's a rule. It's a rule that the Security Exchange Commission or the FINRA gives to them, is not to sell everything at the same time. They can't, because if all they sell, the whole market will collapse. So they do it gradually because of this. Now, let's say the stock was here, and this is 1 year. Let's say this is 1 day. The first day here, the stock is here. Second day. Now the second day, it goes like this. Okay? So here, $100, it's the same thing, okay? Now it is $10. So you see the price drop from $100 to $10 the second day. So this is what is done if they sell all their shares at 1 day. And this, it will never happen with mutual funds, but it happened with Wall Street guys. Wall Street guys, they can hit a stock from 100 it goes to 10 after the market close. For example, we have earnings, earning news. We have FDA, disapproval. You see this a lot in drug companies. Okay? Earning news, a lot of times you see stocks like this. Earning news. FDA disapproval. There are other news or other news. Whatever news is. It means Wall Street guys who are day traders, they just find a way, they find just an excuse to do this. They can't do it in any stock without even a news. But Wall Street, in order to make it look good, they hit the stock, and because they say it's because of this. It's because of FDA disapproval. It's because of this. Earning news. Okay? The earning news is sometimes fake. Now, why it is earning news is fake? It is just because when you see in real, the company sometimes is making money, is making a lot of money. It is just the analyst with what the company said, and the analyst, it's not the same. That's why when we have this, okay? So guys, you try to understand that mutual funds here, we say mutual funds, they can't do the same as Wall Street guys. They can't. Wall Street guys, they have another tool, which is selling short. So mutual fund, they don't sell short. It's just because if they sell short, the whole market will be zero tomorrow. Okay? Because they sell everything. And this is a real problem. So, this explanation, guys, helps you understand how the money moves in mutual funds. They move little by little. That's why you see there is a trend. The trend is made by mutual funds, and then mutual funds, when something moves, we see it, which are swing traders. Day traders, they see it. They see there is a move each day, so they get interested in these stocks. If they go down, they sell short. If they go up, they go long, and that's the case. But for us, for example, when we are going long, we go long because we see a trend. And it means who makes our money? It's the mutual fund. They help us make money because he is the big buyer. He is the mover of the market. But all the other people, they come and buy. So when they buy, I buy, you buy, and the other guy will buy, but at different prices. The more it goes up, the more it becomes more expensive. Okay? So, this idea of buying, it is when you discover this. This is here. The heart of this live is this what I am telling you. Is this shift that I am speaking about right now. The shift is, you see, there is a beginning of a new trend. This is the shift. If you see that, and it is true, you buy stocks accordingly, and then you begin making money. So I give you from this last year, if you can remember, guys who are with me in the if we take this example, okay, if we take this example and try to explain to you what did happen last year, just guys who are with me in the trading account, they can see that. Okay? Now, we were here last year. We were having our stocks, they were going up. We are making money. And then here at the end, I felt there is something wrong, and then we have the collapse. So when the stocks are collapsing very, very quick, we do sell short in some stocks. And then when it stops, and then begin the big move, we begin to buy here. This is the big buy of last year. The big buy. Now here is the shift that I am speaking about. This is the shift. It means the big reverse of the trend. There is a trend going down. There is a trend going up. So going up. And then what you have to do, since the market is going up, what is the thing you do is just you select the leaders of the market. This I have explained a lot. Which stocks which are doing better than Dow Jones. They move faster. Okay? They move faster because you will be making more money. Now, if you take the Dow Jones stocks, some they will be more than the Dow Jones. Some they will be the same. Some they will be down. But Dow Jones stocks are, in general, most of them, not all of them, are very slow. But some of them are good. Some of them are bad. It means they don't move that fast. So you should select the best leaders in the whole market, in other industries that are going up. So this is how you make the big money from the stock market. Okay? So you should understand all this stuff. If you don't understand in general this stuff, you will be always struggling. Struggling, it means you don't have no idea why these stocks are going up. And even when you want to search, you will have a problem searching. What are these stocks? What industries? What sectors? Now for you, since there are a lot, so you should begin first with analyzing the whole market, and then you can go to sectors. If you want to, you can go even to industries. Stocks are just the tiny thing that it's a vehicle to make money. But the trend is the thing. If you don't find a trend in industry or in a stock, or you don't find a trend, you can just buy because someone tells you to buy. And this is what happened. This is what happened in the whole market. People are just saying, oh, buy because of this and this and that. Okay? So people blindly, they just go buy, but they don't understand. Is it because of the stock market going up, or is it because of the sector or industry, or because there is a scam, or there is manipulation, like the GameStop. GameStop, I have made a video with 55 minutes. I have explained everything about this stock and how the manipulation has been. But this is something that's happening, but this is a manipulation. It means it is not a real trading. It's a fake out. But if you find like these stocks and you participate, it means you see stocks going up, even if you don't know the news, you can make a lot of money. But you don't know that it is a scam and manipulation. Because the only people who know is the guys who made this manipulation. Diron Duna said Bitcoin is trending up. Yes. Guys, I didn't buy Bitcoin. But 2 years ago, I have made a video. One, it was like 8,000, but it was 3,500. I show the trend and I say it's going up, and he say it's a buy. But at that time, most of the people who watch my video, maybe they don't realize I showed them the trend. But people, they want someone to tell them that it is a true thing. Just buy, and they can make money. But this is not possible in the stock market. You should believe what you see. Diron Duna said energy sector is going up. Yes. So, energy sector was of the worst sector in these 3 years or 4 years. And I have explained, so here, Diron Duna, I cannot explain, give examples, because in my in this Friday, I have explained this into details, and I showed what is going up, what is going down, and what to expect in the future. I have done one video or two explaining this. So guys who are with me in the subscription, either basic, even basic, or what is it called, silver or golden, you will find these videos that I have made. But these videos I explain more than here, because here I'm just giving you the general idea, just to be aware that there is something called rotation in the market. But rotation, it's not everything. Something that's going up, something is going down. So you should know how to find this stuff. And then when you find this stuff, you should go and find stocks. But all these things is very easy. You just have to take some search. Okay? And even you should see the industry. Is it going up? Even if you don't see the sector, the general sector. Because sometimes general sector, you find few industries are going up, few industries are going down. And if the majority is going up, the index will be going up. Because the index reflects, okay? The index reflects the general stocks. It doesn't show you all the stocks, what they are doing. It says it's this. Diron Duna, thank you very much, Diron Duna. If you are, I think you are a subscriber. If you have a subscriber, you have already watched the thing. So don't give information here, man. Don't give. These are paid. People are paying me to show them some stuff that I don't show on YouTube. So don't show some stuff that it is okay. No problem. I even have videos last week and the other week about cryptocurrencies. Okay? I give them some strategy. I didn't make an ebook or training about this, but I just give it to them. Like I have given strategies about investing. Okay? So these are things that when you learn, and it will change your life forever. Okay? So it changed your life forever. But these things, you will not find it free. Like free online, someone is teaching you things to make money. Okay? It's not free. And all the people who don't know try to do it free just to get some information here and there. But when in practice, he get lost. He can't explain. Okay? He can't explain anything in practice. But in theory, they can get just some ideas here and there, and they present to you, oh, there is this and this. And you tell him, oh, okay, how is that? He can't, and he can't, even with money, he can't teach you. Even if you pay him money, and then you recognize, and you see that this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Yes, he talks about an idea, but he just heard it from someone else. But in real, he can't find the thing. Okay? That's why these things, when you recognize them, it's for all your life. It means investing, if you know some, I'm not saying some tricks, but you find some principles about investing, for example, if you know them, regardless of the companies. Because the companies, it's like Warren Buffett said, you buy companies that you think they're good, and then you see. After many years, you see if you are right or wrong, because you will never know. And there is no one who knows for sure. Because if the people they know before, let's say you know that Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, it's now I think $350,000 a share. It was just 5,000 in 20 years. All the rich, all the billionaires who know something about Berkshire Hathaway, and they trust him, they put their money. So now, from 5,000, they have gone to 350,000. You see how the rich, they can get the information. They see something that you can't see because they pay. It's not just a billionaire sitting like this and going by himself, searching for stocks, searching for investment. No, he doesn't do that. He hires some people who know the companies and what is the potential. And it's like a venture companies. It's like venture companies. Where they where some they have money and they invest in stocks, or they invest some investment, but they have a great knowledge. That's why they do this. Okay, so that's why they say, let's say, knowledge is power. It's true. It's true in everything. When you know something and you act on it, because there is no guarantee. This is the people what they want. They want to guarantee. Oh, okay. I want to do this to put $1,000. I want 2,000, 3,000, or 10,000 next week. They don't. They always try to think like a gambling idea, like a lottery. With $2 or $5, you scratch it. Oh, you make $200 million. Okay. This is the real life. It's not like this. The real life, you should accept the time. You should accept. But when you are right and you choose good, you will make a very big money. Okay. So guys, for my students who are in my subscriptions, I showed them some stuff, and we will see in these weeks if what I showed them is something that it is correct 100%. Because I see something, I show it to them, I say if this continues like this, it will be a big shift in the sectors. In the sectors, there's a big shift. Some sectors are going down, sometimes they are going up. So you should learn, and you should go and search. Al-Hassan Qasimi, hello Kareem, hope you are doing well. How the weather in North Carolina? Yes, it's better. These days becomes hotter, but because of the weather in the, they say that there is like snow coming, snow and cold coming from the North Pole and going to the south to Texas, it's like 30 or 40 years they haven't seen like snow. So because we are in the east of America, which is North Carolina, we get a lot of rain. And until now, I have my garden. I want to prune my garden. I have some trees, some trees and some weed. I should do some stuff, but I was unable because it was raining all the time. It's like 1 month and a half. It's always raining. But it's okay. These days, it's hot. It's hotter. We have seen sunny days. So I'll begin pruning and making a lot of stuff. Okay? So this is Qasimi. I don't know, Qasimi, where you are living, in USA or another country, but this is what we have here. Al-Hassan Qasimi, you still holding Tesla? Why? Oh no! Qasimi, I'm not going to tell you here in YouTube what I am doing with my stocks or with my trading account. No. This, you are asking about asking confidential information. Okay? There is a question. How can you tell if a sector rotation is occurring? Yes, this is a good question. Okay, I will go. This guy has no name. It has a dash. What is your name? Or there is nothing written in this YouTube ID. Okay, let's go and show you something for the thing. Okay, let's do this again. So Mr. Dash, because I don't see a name, or I don't know what is your name or something. Okay, now do you see here? And do you see here? Now, this is selling. This here is a buying. Okay? So this is how I know that there is a new shift. So here is buying. Buying going up. Selling going down. Buying is going up. So if you want to see, just in general, let's say you should go. Here I give you this information. Okay? So let's say you see two. Okay, we have two sectors. Today is here. Today is the same day. We are, let's say the last day the market was moving is Friday. Friday, what is it? Today is 7 March 6/5. So 5 March, it's the same here and there. Now this is sector 1. This is sector 2. Now let's take this here. It's better. Okay. Now see this. If this sector from this day here, it continues to go up, it means it is a buy. If this sector from this day it's going down, you see it. Okay? So that's it. So this period here is what we should look for. So you should take all the sectors. It means you need some work to do. For us, like for my students, I show them the sectors. I show them where the sectors are going, and I give them my opinion about the sector. Okay? Is there a shift? Yes or no? It is as simple as that. But you need to practice. It means there are techniques where exactly you should see. These techniques I provide and I explain, and they are in all my training. So it's very, very easy. Okay? If you take, for example, training level 3, if you go to, for example, training level 3, in if you see the ebook or a training by video, it is explained. Okay, it is explained, especially in industries, how the industry is going up or going down. So for me, I'm trying to explain as much as I can, but the whole thing, it means the direct answers and the ways to see it and what to look for into the chart is already given on this weekend. I have made, I think, 2 videos explain this. Sometimes I do with options. Sometimes I do with explain. It means each week we have lessons, and it's you can see, this is the good thing about my subscriptions. If you subscribe, you will get from last year in January what we have done all in last year. Okay, it means you should see the lessons. If you are in silver or on golden subscription, you will see my trading account, my investing account. You will see all of that. Okay, so everything is very, very simple. The main thing is to understand how these things move and how you can see that. Everything is in the chart. So for me, guys, as you know me for many years, as you understand for many years, I am not following analysts or people who are speaking about the economy. I don't. It's all my strategies that I have come up with according to the chart. And I will tell you things that it has nothing to do with fundamentals. It has nothing to do with companies. Okay? It's just because I see in YouTube there are a lot of channels. They become big because they give information about what companies do. They say invest, but these are just penny stocks. You can't invest in penny stocks because they go for many days because there is manipulation, and then they fall. Okay? So when they fall, all the people, they lose all their money, and it's some people, they lose even 90%, 95% of their money because of this manipulation. Because they say buy, it's the company, it's like Tesla. It becomes like Tesla. I see guys like this in YouTube. I just show them what they are talking about. Oh, they are making a battery. Oh, they will do this, they will do that. I see even some people, they invite the CEO of these small companies. They don't exist. They are very, very small. But they make it, they show them as they are the big stuff. If they are big, mutual funds will buy them. They will not wait until some guy tells them that this company is good. A company that it is 1 million, 50 million, capitalization is not big. Mutual funds, they will not buy this kind of stocks. They will not. Okay? Because they know it is weak. They can't. Yes. As Wiseman said, price you can trust. Because when you see the price moving, you see that. No one will tell you no, it is not. But when someone talks about something, products for example, there are thousands of stocks that of companies that are doing battery. They are making in all over the world. Okay, and they have innovative things, and they are working, and they are making money. But some they are very big, but no one talks about them. But some they are small. They do manipulation about them because the price is small. They can manipulate, and most of these people, either they work as advertisers for this company, because you understand that some people, let's say executives, the stock is, let's say, is $5. An executive, he buys, for example, 5 million shares. He has money from the market for himself, like a private. And then he asks some people like this. They say, okay, this is what our company is doing. Make a video for us that our company is the best. We are doing this and this and this, that. So this guy is giving information, but he is pushing too much this company. Company is not making any money. It's just little money is making. 1 million, 5 million, 10 million. He is not making any money. Okay? He shows the money, he shows the company as if it is like Tesla or like other big companies. Oh, it will be the same as Tesla. Who tells you that this company will be the same? So it means became the same, it means Tesla will disappear. Okay? So, and when the price is going up in a few days, 10 days, 20 days, these executives, they will sell all their millions. So the stock will go down again. All the people who invest in this company thinking that it is true what the other guy has said them, it is not true. It is just manipulation. That's why, guys, when I give you the example of GameStop, you see now where the GameStop is. Okay? So it is very funny. Okay? It is very funny because it is just a kind of manipulation. And Wall Street guys will go after these companies and try to destroy them by selling short. Okay? Now, why they do that? Because it is easy money. It is easy money. The company, they sell short more and more. And you see big companies, they lose a lot of their business. And investors will flee. Okay? So that's why we have this shift. Because if mutual funds are selling a company, it will fall. And the guys, Wall Street guys, to put the price down and down and down. What does it mean? It means the company will lose capitalization. It means the stock was big, the company was big, and then the company shrink. Because the value of the share is shrinking, is going down and decreasing. Okay? That's why the people, they sell. All the people will sell. Okay? So guys, hope you get an idea about this kind of shift. I have a special training, which is training level 3, which explains this industries and how to find stocks in these industries, and you can compare even the industries together or sectors or so. So this is a good training for you guys to understand what's going on. And then finding stocks is the easiest thing when you see the trend. You can even find stocks without doing that, but that is just to make sure that you are in the right path. And this week I have I think one video or two. I have explained And in the following weeks, we try to see if it is true or not. Okay? So, guys, I think I have finished what I have being said. You said Bitcoin is trending up. Yes, Bitcoin is trending up, but it is 2 years ago. It was 3,000 like 150, I think in 2019, and now as you can see it's a lot. It goes a lot, especially last year with the market. I have done this, I have spoken about this, I think last week, in my live of last week. Okay, and understand that these things are very dangerous. So if you want to invest or to trade, try to be careful, because any news can put it up, it can put it down, and you can lose a lot of money. It's like penny stock. So this Bitcoin is like, but Bitcoin, it's all over the world. It's not only in America. That's why it is something that belongs to the whole world. There is no central stock market or Bitcoin market that catches all this. No, everyone in the world can participate if its government allow Bitcoins. Because I know there are some countries they ban this because they don't understand it and because it is dangerous. And it's just people, they don't want people to throw their money there, because if it collapses or it is stolen, because understand that one time there is there is an exchange, I don't know how many billions of dollars there of Bitcoin, it had been hacked and all the Bitcoin had been stolen. Because when they are stolen, you can't know, there is no verification you can do in order to know who has stolen the thing. So all your money will be going. So don't put too much money and then one day you don't find your money. There is no one who will give you an explanation. Where is your money? Your money is stolen. It is stolen. That's it. Like it has happened before. So when you do try to, here in America we have Coinbase. I don't know if we have more exchanges, but Coinbase is the most trusted. So try to see that, but try to be moderate. Try not to put too much money, and then if it goes down, you lose all your money. Okay, so be careful. So I have done, I think, a live about that. So try to think always. I have made also lessons about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I think last week or the other week. So if you want to get it, my students they know about it because I have done it. They have seen the video, but other guys who have never seen my my subscription, you can subscribe for 1 month and you check if it is good for you. Okay, guys, it's 1 hour 8 minutes. This subject is very small. I don't want to continue very, very long because it's just not too big, because it is just an idea. You should understand. If you understand, you will be making things. Now, if you are subscribed and you have seen the videos and still you have some questions, you can send me an email. It's always good to get more and more information. Okay, so guys, if you don't have any question, I should close this live and we will see you next week. If you have questions, as usual, you can just send me an email and I will help you out with this. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and be careful of the market and try to follow the sectors, industries, and check which is going down and which is going up. Thank you very much.